Welcome to the International Workshop on Future Communications. Now in this workshop, we will explore the technological changes that provided us a huge leap forward in speed, capacity, and connectivity.
6G will likely be an efficient and self-contained ecosystem based on AI, which progressively evolves from being human-centric alone to being human and machine-centric. 6G will also bring a low latency and unrestricted complete wireless connectivity.
We believe that a global 6G standard is the key to the success of 6G.
Going forward, what we foresee is due to the advancements in the material and technology, on top of just optimizing the transmitter and receiver, there is also a possibility that we can also make some changes to the wireless channel. So we call this a smart radio environment.
For the wireless applications and for future, we get more high and high data rates, and we will get more closer and closer from the transmitter to the receiver.
We might still be able to do a massive multiplexing of signals to the same device, just because we can focus the signal energy very narrowly.
Location awareness is a key enabler for a myriad of new applications.
Reinforcement learning is a very powerful technique.
The new technology we are talking about here is the PCM technology.
Combine V2X technologies with edge cloud computing. This can enable numerous new applications that are beyond what we can imagine today.
Communication paradigms has catalyzed the development of the novel applications that were previously unthinkable.
To support even more intelligent digital transformation, we have also the augmented reality, virtual reality, teleoperation, supported by robotic and automation, artificial intelligence.
A new signal generator, the product is branded under Rubidium name, which has very unique features and performance which essentially redefine the industry standards for spectral purity and stability.
Big thank you to all our sponsors, partners, as well as you for your presence at this conference. Do remember to keep a lookout on our website and follow our socials so that you don't miss out on the next SUTD event.